How's it going, guys? This is the unboxing of the Sony GTK-XB60. So I got this from my work's Christmas party giveaway prize. So let's just start unboxing it. So from what I know about the specs, it's pretty much a Bluetooth speaker. So it has a built-in battery. Unlike the higher model. So yeah, around 14 hours, and then it also has lights. And yeah, so we have to download you have to download an app to use it, and that's pretty much it. uh it supports LDAC, and it doesn't have FM radio. That's pretty much it. So we have power cable, and then some documentation. So it already turned on, and then you should have like two 5-inch woofers, and then two things around 2-inch tweeters. And then so you can have like party chain, so you can connect this to um other Bluetooth speakers, like within that line. And so yeah, you can find out how much battery you have, and then the power button, and then play, pause, volume up, volume down, and extra bass. And then the lights, definitely for partying, and it's around 250 to $300. And on the back, so yeah, the power port, USB, mic in, mic level, volume, and then RCA outs and in, and that's it. Thank you for watching my unboxing of the Sony GTK-XB60 speakers.